All right, let's do an update. Here is the finished screen. It has a bit more clarity than the old one. Right, there's the one next to it, the existing screen. Anyways, there's no holes in it. It's serviceable. Not very attractive, but and here's a completed one. And here's the old existing ones. The thing with screens, you have to be fluent with how to tension things. I install carpet, so I know how to tension. You got to start in one corner and bring your tensions all around to get a good proper flatness to it, because the screen doesn't stretch really, it just reaches its tension. This one's completed, this one's completed, and these are the super bubbly guys. Anyhow, whatever you like, we're here to do it.